Alright, I have a ton of cool stuff to show you guys. Today, I am just pumped. We've been working on so much stuff behind the scenes and it is all working exactly beautiful in terms of indicators, in terms of ways and overlays and things to help people make more money with trading to avoid getting wrecked. And this is literally what I've been working on for more than the last decade. And I'm happy with the progress that we're making. Still a long way to go till it realizes the vision where I want it to be, but it's just so cool to see it working. So let's start here. Central Command Trading Terminal. Bitcoin is at $75,500. So this Central Command, it's a trading terminal to interface with charts, with overlays. These things are like one-click overlays, one click on off. Very, very cool. We've built in a whole lot of stuff here. And the point of all of this is to be able to stop getting wrecked, because these markets are so manipulative and so scammy, and the market makers and the whales and the VCs and the exchanges, they're all just trying to take everyone's money, especially if you trade with leverage. It's so easy to get trapped, to long into the FOMO, to short into the fear, and that's why we made this. So you can see here, this is one of many. This specific one, it just warns you visually. It's got no emotions. That's the biggest trap about trading. We feel fear, we feel FOMO, greed, panic, and you see the price going down and you think, oh, I have to short it because it's dropped so much, it's going down. And then it reverses and then you get wrecked. And then you see it going up and you miss the whole way up. And finally, by the point when you feel like you want to start longing, it's overheated and then it drops again. And that is how people get wrecked over and over and over again. And it's just, it just takes advantage of our natural state as humans, where we basically feel and do the opposite of what we should be doing in these markets. That's why so many people lose. The emotions get you. So my thought process has always been, if you can remove the emotions and focus purely on price action, on a repeatable system that doesn't get tired, that doesn't feel sad or happy, that doesn't get excited, doesn't get scared. It just shows you based on the price action, based on the parameters, because this is like a video game. It has limits. It has certain conditions within it, how it exists, and it can only move up, down, or sideways. That's the price action. And within those constraints or within those criteria, it can only do so much, which means there are limits to the criteria, and that means the limits can be programmed in a way that it appears and it shows you when the limits are being reached. So that's all a very long way. And to say basically we made these overlays here. This is just one of many. And you can see when it turns blue, it's a warning that it's oversold. And we shouldn't be shorting into blue, number one. And number two, we should probably consider closing open shorts. And number three, once the EMA ribbon flips, once the price flips above it, then we can consider longs. And the inverse for the red. So once it's red, we're not longing into the red. It's a warning. It's overbought. It's probably going to reverse. So here in the red, number one, you don't long. Number two, you consider closing open longs that you have from here. And number three is when we get the EMA ribbon flip, which we've just had, then we can consider shorting. Okay, so this is the 4-hourly chart. And it's worked beautifully. You can see here it caught the bottom here at 66,000. We got a run up to 83,000, and from 83 we're already at 75,000. We have the EMA ribbon flip right now, which last time we got it after the blue, well, we went from 66 to 83. So if we have it here, then we might go from 63 or from 83 back down to 60, and I think that's completely a possibility. So this works on all time frames. 15 minute, 1 minute for scalping, day trading, 4-hourly, daily, weekly. It's really beautiful. And this is not meant to be like a pitch for this. It's 100% free. I put the details down below. You can get access. You can trade on here. You connect your Blofin account, exchange account to this, and you can actually even trade on here just like you normally would, long and short. You can actually trade this, but you get access to all of this. We made it 100% free. I'm just so excited to show you how this is working over and over and over again, and it's very, very cool. And because of the nature of how this works, it's not limited to crypto, right? We can go, and the same stuff is for gold, right? So we have on Blofin Exchange, you can trade gold, for example. So we've got XAUT, which is gold. And you can see right here, right away, this is the 15-minute chart. Again, you can see here, it's warning you. We're not supposed to be shorting here as it's turned blue. And that's a 15-minute chart, so we can change it to 4 hourly. And there you can see, I haven't looked at this chart in a while. Beautiful, you can see it called the top here. And as you zoom in a little bit more, oh, well, there you have it. You don't want to be shorting here after this drop. You might be tempted to think it goes down more. Nope, we've got a bit of a bounce. And now again, it's starting to warn us that here we don't want to be shorting, and it probably could end up bouncing. But anyway, this is not about gold or anything. I just want to show you these overlays and these terminals. And specifically, I really like how it also worked for everything, really. But Hype specifically here also, you can see it was calling this top here. Everyone was getting excited about Hype in the last 1 or 2 days as it was getting to $60. It actually hit all-time highs over here. And while everyone was starting to FOMO in, you can see warning, 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 and you can see it caught here, over here. The blue, again, means you don't want to be shorting here. So it caught this entire run, 46 to 60, and here it's warning that, you know, things are overheated. And we've already dropped back now from over $60 to 55, and we have the EMA ribbon flip, and it's very possible that this just continues down back to 48,000. So the point I'm trying to make here, everything I do here with this content is to try and help people make more money with trading. And doing it manually is hard. That's why I created this. And I like to think this is just a cheat code. And it's so simple. It's so visually simple. If you see the blue, it means don't short. If you see the red, it means don't long. And then you can add in steps 2 and 3. So if you see blue, number 1, don't short. Number 2, potentially close open shorts that you have already. And number 3, once you get the EMA ribbon flip, after the blue, so once the price gets back above the EMA ribbon, that's a long until it turns red again. And the same for the inverse, right? So you see red, number 1, you don't long the red. Number 2, you consider closing open positions. If you longed over here, you might want to consider closing over here when you see the red. And then once you get the EMA ribbon flip after the red, so you see we have the red, then the price crossed back down and the EMA ribbon flipped. Well, now it's a short until it turns blue again, and it could quite possibly drop quite a bit more. We can see, let's take a look at the 4 hourly chart over here on Hype, and you can see, boom, beautiful. And while they can manipulate the price, they can squeeze it, right? There's obviously, especially with a coin like Hype, there's such a big market cap and there's so much money being pumped into this. So yes, it does turn red here and it can extend with the squeeze, but it is just a warning, like you don't want to be longing here in general. And as soon as we lose the EMA ribbon, if this gets back below 48, we're probably going into the low 30s. And you can see how beautifully it works. Blue means don't short. We've got a nice little bounce. The blue was basically the exact bottoms over here. And if you longed into the blue here, if you got in over here in the 40s, well, then as it started going into the 50s, you could consider closing those longs also. And again, the more you zoom in and the lower time frames you go in, the more accurate you can be. It all depends on what your trading strategy is. Are you doing high leverage, low time frame? Are you doing lower leverage or no leverage at all? I mean, obviously all of this stuff also works with spot, right? So if we're looking at Bitcoin, let's just go to, for example, the daily chart. Imagine you were looking at buying spot. This nailed the bottom of the bear market in the previous bear market. Look at this. Like, it basically just gave us the exact bottom here. So as we were going here around $20,000, well, that was the time to load up with spot. And if you had just waited, okay, say we got the blue, once we got the EMA ribbon here, right, the EMA ribbon flip after the blue, so around 20,000, if you would have held it until the first red, you could have exited over here around about 90,000 in the 90,000s, and that would have given you almost a 5x on spot. In the same way, over here, that it's been calling the top here, the all-time high, you can see perfect, boom, over here, 110 to 120,000, you know, the top now in hindsight was 126,000, and you can see once we got this, if you waited until the EMA ribbon flip, you got in here, and we're looking for a short until it starts printing blue. Well, it's not blue yet, so we're probably going down below 50,000, and once we start seeing blue here on the daily, which I suspect is only going to come somewhere in Q4, then we can start looking at accumulating spot. And in the same way, the real signal is just going to be after the blue, once we get the EMA ribbon flip. So you can see this stays blue for 2-3 months, right? Based on this time frame, on the daily time frame. After that happens and we get the flip, that's the signal. And it's coming, but it's probably still going to take a few months. And this is what is so nice. It's no more guessing. It's no more feeling scared, because this is just a chart that we're looking at now. Obviously, in the real world, once we get into the bear market, things are blowing up. Exchanges are going bankrupt. Protocols are getting hacked. Mass fear on the media everywhere, right? So then your emotions flood you with potentially with fear, like, oh, what if it's going to zero, blah, 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 blah. And then you make bad decisions. Versus this has no emotions. It's just literally telling you based on the price action, hey, this is a time to be careful. This is a time to look for a change, etc., etc. So this is all very, very cool in my opinion. I actually wanted to talk about a whole lot of stuff, but let's keep this video just to these indicators and this specific overlay, because I think it's pretty cool. Again, 100% free access. The link is down below in the description, and how to get access. I'll share all of that. All of this stuff is available. We have so much stuff. I need to make a dedicated video on this, even different trend deviations, rainbow deviation. I think that's pretty cool actually. And with the multiple Mayer, the Mayer multiple it's called, you can see over here also a perfect rejection here. Boom. Right? This was a 60K low at the bottom of the band. Rejection here. So one thing we can see here is that in a bullish trend, here it hit the top of the band, it reverts back to the center. But in a bullish trend, the center acts as support. Boom, center acts as support. And then once we crossed it, obviously the bottom of the range, but now the center is acting as resistance, which we're seeing here now. And likely the next target over here is probably these lows somewhere in the 40,000s, probably towards the end of the year, as is the 4-year cycle. So I just want to show you all these overlays. They're super awesome, and we are continuing to add stuff to this. For now, it's still 100% free. I don't know if we're going to make it paid in future. For now, we're still allowing anyone to join. We're covering all the costs of running this and hosting this, etc., etc. But I think it's super awesome, and you can just, one click on off, and we're just adding so much stuff. And by the way, also, we're open to adding more stuff there. So, if you want to engage and you're in my VIP Discord or whatever, and you want to send a message about it, something you'd like to see added to this, we're completely open to doing all that. So I would say, if you found this interesting, if you found this eye-opening, you want to play around with this stuff, keep in mind it also works on gold, basically anything on both on oil, indices, stocks. It works on all of that because it's all, a chart is a chart. It's all price action. It has nothing to do specifically with the crypto-related indicator, which is so very cool. So go and play around with this. It's 100% free. Details in the description down below. And share this with a friend or multiple friends or on your social media pages if you think someone would benefit from this kind of info and indicators to help them make more money trading. That's the goal, right? I want you guys to win. I think it's an industry where so many people get wrecked, and a lot of people unfortunately get wrecked with money that they don't want to lose or can't afford to lose, or more money than they'd like to lose. And it's a difficult game, but that's why you need the tools, right? Humans are tool builders. We build tools to help us get to our goals, and that's what we've tried to do here, and what we're literally working on every single day. Trying to build this stuff out so that we have an edge, and that these markets can't trick us anymore, or basically just trick us less, and we can take money from them instead of them taking it from us. So smash the like button, check it out, download it, let me know, give me feedback. I'll see you in the next video.